us to look at Athena. Athena has been launched and is listed now. So Athena, we're going to be looking at the exchange to see how much is it actually worth. At the same time, Athena has already its application node and different scenarios where we can actually gain the gems. And by doing that, harvesting the gems, we'll be able to exchange it for ATN. And by doing the exchange, we pretty much will be able to gain some good cryptocurrency that's just starting. So the application is very straightforward. You have your daily login and the chest you need to click on, and then you have your wallet, which shows the ATH or ATN on the network itself, on the exchanges. The gems, we're going to be exchanging it in the future when they do that. The next halving is in 93 days. Alright, so the mining is very straightforward and very simple. You would claim it daily and leave it to mine. You have the tap-in, and the tap-in will give you the EC. As soon as you collect 10,000 EC, you'll be able to convert it into the gems where we actually want the gems, because we'll be able to exchange it to ATN. Now, the more you actually log in daily and the more you click on the chest, the more you can get the booster. The booster will help you to gain more gems. So doing missions will give you a boost and so on. Mystery box reward and then fulfilling the quests. All of that will increase the harvest rate. By increasing the harvest rate and harvesting more, you rank up in the level, which will give you more gems per hour. Quests are pretty much straightforward. You have your daily check-in, and by the way, the application is buggy, so you will find that it gets stuck when you're claiming the quests and not always collecting them directly. You have the milestone task, which is important because it's a permanent boost that gets added to your booster, so you do need to collect it and not to ignore it. Scenario is you need to log in daily, complete the daily login, the quests, and click on claim. The KYC, they're stingy and terrible. They want you to pay for it and then transfer your assets, USD, to the application and then buy a KYC. At the same time, they're stopping it. This feature is under maintenance, so you have to pay for doing the KYC. What does it matter? The KYC gives you more gems and you're going to be needing it because they are an exchange. They are a blockchain network now. So it's a little bit problematic, but we'll wait like everyone instead of trying to actually purchase ATN. It's already listed anyway, so it doesn't matter. All right. So you have your tap, you have your node, you have your boost, your leadership, you have your friends, you have the social media that they have, you have premium privileges where you can actually pay money to get more from them. You have staking, hodl, lending, and borrowing. Staking scenario is you need to have ATH and then you'll be able to stake it and you'll gain more ATH. Hodl is pools that they have, hot, normal, and your hodl. You'll need to have ATH to actually add them in a pool. And then it will give you small baby amounts as time progresses. P2P is their exchange scenario network where you can go there directly and purchase and sell. Shop and Launchpad will take you more onto their site, and Lion is a cryptocurrency token, small one that's linked to them. Then you have your games and the Lucky Wheel. The Lucky Wheel, if you do get one of the lottery card scenario, you'll be able to run the wheel. If you are successful, you'll gain some. The application is very straightforward. It's a strict login. You would log in daily. You would click on collecting and receiving the gems. You have different things that can be done: send, receive, history, deposit, and so on. These are the tokens that are supported currently: the Dodge, the gems, AUSD, P2P, ATX, USDT, and Line, which Line follows them, which is also standalone in the market, but it's under them, and the completion of quests and the invitation of friends. Links are going to be in the description related to the Athena application. This is actually an application you can download. They're also available on the Telegram as a bot, but they're very annoying when it comes to the Telegram version. It's very difficult to open, find, and use. So I would prefer actually using directly the application. In any case, you can scroll to the left and to the right to look at what they have. They have the public sale, which was ongoing, and Yeah, let's go to one of the exchanges we're using to show what is the current price that they're actually labeled at. Let's go and do that. And now we are on BingeX. We can see that the lovely ATN is already live. And don't ask me why they labeled it ATN, not ATH, but it is what it is. If we go to the depth, we can see that they have been active for a couple of days or maybe a week or two. We can go to the coin info, blank. That sucks. Anyway, they actually are the ATN scenario that's under them. Let's go into buy. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, we still have an order there. We want to actually gain more information on them, but unfortunately I can't see any okay, fine, it finally showed. Wow. Okay, so this you can see is registered under the Athena network, and you have the official website, the blockchain explorer. Links are going to be in the description of this video if you want to actually easily find the token itself and the official and the blockchain exploration if you're actually interested in looking at what they are, what they offer. And we're gonna do a fast look at the blockchain exploration at least. Alright, so in going to Etherscan, we can see their max total supply, we can see the holders, the total transfers, and we can see that they've been active and they're powered by Ethereum. Yeah, they're on the Ethereum chain network, by the way. Okay, they look normal, nothing suspicious. A total of 47 token holders. Okay, and then we have the info. Okay, how about the contracts? Yeah, this is the important stuff. Contract source code verified, exact match is Athena network, compiler version, and other settings. You can see this contract is only required. Yeah, so this is considered under the Athena network. You can look at the analytics if you want to actually gain some insight of the time series token contract overview. You can see that they have 5 million, the transfer count, unique receivers, unique centers, all of that details. And you have the cards also. So what are they offering differently? From my perspective, nothing specific. There is no specific different methodology, idea, or something. They're only offering a token that you can mine, just like many different things. Okay, contract complexity score 5910, storage slot layout 11, 5 mapping variables, deep analysis 42 key. So token sniffer 0 is less secure, 100 is most secure. Let's just say they're still new. So yeah, let's just take it as they're still new and they're not listed on every single exchange. They're on BingeX as far as I am concerned. They haven't really listed on other things. So they will be taking time to grow. And pretty much they started directly, created their website, created the application, still working on different things, still do not have a good support, still improving and developing, and they listed themselves so fast in less than maybe 2-3 months. Psycho crazy level, because they're not really with a strong foundation that has been built. They did it so fast in listing, faster than anything we've ever seen. Anyway, let's go back to the application. Alright, so would I recommend using Athena? Yeah, I would recommend using it. And as you can see, this is one of the lovely bugs they have, because all of this was collected. So it's not supposed to show again, but fine, whatever. Anyway, I would recommend you at least use it for the node that's on the phone. We can always benefit from just an application that's running in the background and give us crypto tokens, cryptocurrencies. And in the future, we'll be able to exchange the gems into the ATH or ATN regardless. And you can see it's telling you it's listed on BingeX ATN. So it's not me who's saying. Alright guys, all links are going to be in the description related to the Athena network, including the P2P, including their website, blockchain exploration, BingeX, and the application itself to use the Athena network. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section, and as always, have a great day ahead guys.